Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi A3 key battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need one new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Also, have a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool ready. These tools will help you safely open the key fob without causing damage. A clean, well-lit area is crucial to keep track of all components. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of the fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate easily, exposing the internal components. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, observe the orientation of the old battery. Typically, the positive side faces up. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards. Make sure it sits snugly and securely in place. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob and perform a quick test. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they click securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test the key fob's functions by trying to lock and unlock your Audi A3. Confirm that all buttons respond correctly, indicating a successful battery change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.